Hi viewers, how do you do? Welcome back to my channel SUBBARAJU'S Learning Hub. Today we will discuss decimal fractions, normal fractions and percentages and the relation between them. We will discuss how to convert a normal fraction into a decimal fraction and a decimal fraction into a percentage and a normal fraction into a percentage. We will clearly discuss the relation between these two forms of numbers. Let us take for example 1/4. 1/4. We know that if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, the value of a fraction does not change. So let us divide both the numerator and the denominator by 25. So 1 into 25 over 4 into 25. 1 into 25, 25 and 4 into 25, 100. To make our calculation easier, to express in decimals, we make the numerator, we increase the numerator to 100 so that the denominator to be increased to the same extent. So both the numerator and the denominator are multiplied by 25. So 1/4 is the same as 25 hundredths or 25 over 100. So we know that 25 over 100 is the same as 0.25. Since the denominator has two zeros after 1, there should be two decimal points in the number, decimal number, and it becomes 0.25. And if you express 25 by 100 as percentage, it is 25%. 25 by 100 means 25 per 100. 25 per 100. That is the same as 25%. Cent means 100. So in using the symbol of percent, we write it as 25%. So 1/4 is equal to 25 by 100 in normal fraction, and in decimal fraction it is 0.25, and in percentage form it is 25%. Coming to the next example, 5 over 8 or 5/8. In the same way, we perform the division in the normal way and we will get 0.625. We know how to convert a normal fraction into a decimal fraction. If we convert a normal fraction 5 by 8 into a decimal fraction, you will get 0.625. 0.625 can be written in the normal fraction as 625 by 1000. Since 0.625 has 3 decimal points, we write 3 zeros after 1 in the numerator and we will make it a whole number. 625 by 1000. To express it in the form of a percent, the denominator must be 100. So we multiply both the numerator and the denominator. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by 10. If you divide 625 by 10, you will get 62.5, and when you divide 1000 by 10, you will get 100. So to make the denominator 100, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 10. We should also remember that if a normal fraction is either multiplied or divided by the same number, the value of the fraction does not change. Here we multiplied both the numbers by 25 and the value of fraction is not changed. Here we divided both the numerator and the denominator by 10 and the value of the fraction also does not change. So we know that 62.5 by 100 is the same as 62%. 62.5 by 100, that is 62.5 per 100, and using the symbol 62.5%. Percent means by 100, per 100. Coming to now we know how to the relation between the normal fractions, decimal fractions, and the percentages. Now we will discuss how to convert fraction percentages into numbers or normal fractions. Friends, I think you are all enjoying my videos. If you enjoyed this video also, please like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider to subscribe it and activate the bell icon to get updates. So here see 20% of 125. 20% of 125 means 20%, we know that 20 by 100 of 125, that is into 125. 20% of 125 is the same as 20 by 100 into 125. If you simplify the numbers, 20 divides 100 by 5 times and 5 divides 125 by 25 times. So 20% of 125 is 25. And 25% of 120. How to calculate 25% of 120? We know that 25% means 25 by 100 of 120. So if you simplify 25 and 100, 25 divides 100 4 times and 4 divides 120 30 times, you will get 130. So we know that 25% is the same as 1/4. So 1/4 of 120 is 30. 20% is the same as 1/5. 1/5 of 125 is 25. So now let us express in the form of diagrams. What is 50%, 10%, 100%, like that. 50%, we know that 50 by 100. 50 by 100 can be written as 0.5. This is equal to half. Half. That means this is the whole and half is shaded here. So 50%, half, and 0.5 are represented in this figure. This can be in figures, we can represent this figure as 1/2 or 1/2 or 0.5 or 50 by 100, 50 over 100 or 50%. 50% means half. Coming to 25%. 25%, we know that it is equal to 1/4. When the whole is divided into 4 parts and one part is shaded here and one part is taken, it is called 1/4. 1/4. One part of 4 parts, and it is also equal to 0.25 and 25 by 100. Coming to 10%. 10%, we know that 10% is the same as 10 over 100 or 10 hundredths. It is equal to 0.1. 0.1. We know that 0.1 is the same as 1/10. So the whole is 10 parts here, and we have taken one part. One part is shaded, and 1 over 10 means one part of the 10 whole parts. This can be represented like this. And 100%, we know that 100% means whole, the total. 100% is 100 over 100. That is 1 over 1. That is one whole. That is the total part is taken here. The total part is shaded here. So this is the representation of percentages and fractions in the form of diagrams. Okay, friends, I think you are all enjoying my videos. We will meet in our next video. Until then, have a great time.